after the door 1 is open for 45 seconds, the router will activate it. Okay, now let us wait for the router activation. So as you can listen, the router is activated. Today we are going to see about an interesting project, that is door open close notification using IoT, Internet of Things. So this project consists of ESP8266 Node MCU microcontroller board, hooter for giving the good quality sound, relay module, RCA pins and jacks for easy connection and disconnection, small magnetic switch for a small door, metal magnetic switch for the bigger door, 12 volt DC power supply, 2 amps rating for powering the entire circuit and router. So this is the entire components. So this project works whenever some person opens the door, it gives the alert notification in the blink application. So by using the IoT, you will get the alert in your mobile. And if the door is open for more than 45 seconds or the fixed period of time, the router will give sound along with the alert in the mobile. And also if the door closes, it will alert. For the open, close and the long duration open, you will get the alert in the mobile app. And if it is open for more than 45 seconds, the router will start sounding. So this is how the system works. If it is open for short period and it is closed and again open, the timer will be resetted. Okay. So this is how the system works. So now let us test the system. The system output can be found, the alert notification can be found in the mobile status bar. And if it is more than open for more than 45 seconds, it will give the sound in the router. So initially I will keep the door switch in the closed condition. So now the doors are in the closed condition. I am just giving the power. I am connecting the power supply. So the power is connected. So after power is connected, the board will be started and the module will automatically get connected to the Wi-Fi router. Okay. So since it is the Wi-Fi module, it will be automatically connected to the Wi-Fi router. So now since the doors are in the closed condition, you will not get any notification or sound, alert sound. I am just opening the door 1. So door 1 is now open. And let us wait for 45 seconds. So by waiting for 45 seconds, it will generate the routing sound. So the relay will be turned on. So the relay will be controlled by microcontroller and it is turned on. And after that, the router will start sounding. Okay. So this is the door 2 is in the closed condition. But even though door 2 is in the closed condition, door 1 is in the open condition. So after the door 1 is open for 45 seconds, the router will activate it. Okay, now let us wait for the router activation. So as we can listen, the router is activated. I am just closing the door. The door is closed, so the router activation is stopped. So again I am opening the door 2, that is a bigger door, metal sensor. So again it will wait for 45 seconds and it will be activated, router will be activated. So after 45 seconds, you will get a sound in the router. So even if both the doors are open, you will get a alert sound and the corresponding door numbers will be seen in the mobile application. Okay, so now it is going to get activate. So now it's closed. So this is how the entire system works. Thank you.